all about profit, 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 all about profit.
All right, so this is the Snake by Gooey Audio. There'll be links down in the video description below for this really crazy plugin that makes all kind of crazy things, does all kind of crazy things to the sound. So the Snake, as they say, is full of venom. We got a bunch of filters, we got a phaser, we got a flanger combo, all kind of crazy effects we can do with this. Let's just play some sounds, then we'll go over some of the interface as well to see what's going on. All right, let's just go through some presets here on this pad sound before. And then turn it on. So we could get pretty extreme with it. We could get pretty subtle with it as well. These ones sound more extreme. So pretty interesting. That's really cool. So we have different presets down here as well. And of course, we have all these other controls that we can mess around with. So let's check it out on these drums. We'll go through some presets. We also have different parameters we can change down here. So we'll just go through some of those once we go through some of the presets. We got phasers, combos, flangers, a bunch of different EQ and multi-mode and all kinds of stuff. And then we got presets down here, gates. So there's a lot of things to play with, a lot of things to get around. I like starting with the presets when I get a plugin like this because I have no idea what's going on. So it's a good place to start. And let's just play some here. Let's just play it. So we could get crazy, we could get subtle. And we got a bunch of other settings we could play around with here as far as filters and stuff. All right, so there you go. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out my other videos floating around the screen here. If you're watching on YouTube, other platforms, check my bio, blog posts, whatever. Yeah, and that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.